The Boston Celtics, Boston Bruins. The Celtics are regarded as one of the most successful basketball teams in NBA history. The franchise is tied with the Los Angeles Lakers for most NBA championships won with 17 and currently holds the record for the most recorded wins of any NBA team. The Celtics are one of the two charter BAA franchises still playing in their original city. The Celtics have a notable rivalry with the Los Angeles Lakers, which was heavily highlighted throughout the 1960s and 1980s. During the two teams' many matchups in the 1980s, the Celtics star, Larry Bird, and the Lakers star, Magic Johnson, had an ongoing feud. The franchise has played the Lakers a record 12 times in the NBA Finals, of which the Celtics have won 9. 4 Celtics players have won the NBA Most Valuable Player award for an NBA record total of 10 MVP awards. Both the nickname, Celtics, and their mascot, Lucky the Leprechaun, are a nod to Boston's historically large Irish population, and also to the original Celtics, a marquee team prior to the NBA. The Celtics' rise to dominance began in the late 1950s, after coach Red Auerbach acquired center Bill Russell, who would become the cornerstone of the Celtics dynasty, in a draft day trade in 1956. Led by Russell and superstar point guard Bob Cousy, the Celtics won their first NBA championship in 1957. Russell, along with a talented supporting cast of future Hall of Famers including John Havlicek, Tom Heinsohn, K.C. Jones, Sam Jones, Satch Sanders, and Bill Sharman, would usher the Celtics into the greatest period in franchise history, winning 8 consecutive NBA championships throughout the 1960s. After the retirement of Russell in 1969, the Celtics entered a period of rebuilding. Led by center Dave Cowens and point guard JoJo White, the Celtics returned to championship caliber, winning 2 NBA titles in 1974 and 1976. The Celtics again returned to dominance in the 1980s, led by the Big Three, that featured Larry Bird, Kevin McHale, and Robert Parrish. The Celtics won the 1981, 1984, and 1986 championships. After winning 16 championships throughout the 20th century, the Celtics, after struggling through the 1990s, rose again to win a championship in 2008 with the help of Kevin Garnett, Paul Pierce, and Ray Allen in what was known as the new Big Three era. The Celtics returned to the NBA Finals in 2010, only to lose to the Lakers in a 7-game series. By the start of the 2013 season, none of the Big Three was still with the team, which ushered in a new era for the team. With the help of newly hired head coach Brad Stevens, the team began rebuilding. In his second season, Stevens led the Celtics on a return to the playoffs in 2015. During the 2016-17 season, the Celtics clinched the top seed in the Eastern Conference, but were eliminated in the conference finals. Led by Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown, the team returned to the conference finals in 2018 and 2020. Losing both times, the Boston Celtics were formed on June 6, 1946, by Boston Garden Arena Corporation President Walter A. Brown as a team in the Basketball Association of America, and became part of the National Basketball Association after the absorption of the National Basketball League by the BAA in the fall of 1949. In 1950, the Celtics signed Chuck Cooper, becoming the first NBA franchise to draft a black player. The Celtics struggled during their early years, until the hiring of coach Red Auerbach. In the franchise's early days, Auerbach had no assistants, ran all the practices, did all the scouting, both of opposing teams and college draft prospects, and scheduled all road trips. One of the first great players to join the Celtics was Bob Cousy, whom Auerbach initially refused to draft out of nearby Holy Cross because he was too flashy. Cousy's contract eventually became the property of the Chicago Stags, but when that franchise went bankrupt, Cousy went to the Celtics in a dispersal draft. After the 1955-56 season, Auerbach made a stunning trade, sending perennial All-Star Ed Macauley to the St. Louis Hawks along with the draft rights to Cliff Hagan for the second overall pick in the draft, after negotiating with the Rochester Royals. A negotiation that included a promise that the Celtics owner would send the highly sought-after ice capades to Rochester if the Royals would let Russell slide to 2. Auerbach used the pick to select University of San Francisco center Bill Russell. Auerbach also acquired Holy Cross standout and 1957 NBA Rookie of the Year, Tom Heinsohn. Russell and Heinsohn worked extraordinarily well with Casey, and they were the players around whom Auerbach would build the champion Celtics for more than a decade. With Bill Russell, the Celtics advanced to the 1957 NBA Finals and defeated the St. Louis Hawks in 7 games, the first of a record 17 championships. Russell went on to win 11 championships, making him the most decorated player in NBA history. In 1958, the Celtics again add